Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Conversation between two friends using phrasal verb. Fill up. Did you fill up your water bottle?
Yes, it's full now.
Can you fill up my glass, please?
Sure, with water or juice.
I'm going to the gas station to fill up the car.
Good idea. The tank was almost empty.
Did you fill up the forms for school?
Not yet. I'll do it tonight.
The parking lot is filling up quickly.
Let's find a spot before it's full.
Can you fill up the bowl with soup?
Here you go.
I'm so hungry. I need to fill up my plate.
Me too. The food looks delicious.
My inbox is filling up with emails again.
You should delete some.
This bag is filling up with books.
It's getting heavy.
I filled up my notebook with notes.
Time to get a new one.
The calendar is filling up with appointments.
Looks like you'll be busy next week.
Please fill up the sink with water.
4 washing dishes.
The stadium is filling up with fans.
The game must be exciting.
I need to fill up my basket with vegetables.
Let's go to the market.
The box is filling up with old clothes.
Are you donating them?
The bathtub is filling up.
Don't let it overflow.
The bus filled up fast this morning.
It's always crowded on Mondays.
My phone storage is filling up.
You should delete some photos.
Fill up the balloons for the party.
Sure, I'll use the pump.
The garden is filling up with flowers.
It looks beautiful in spring.
My wallet is finally filling up with cash.
Nice. Did you get paid?
This notebook is filling up with doodles.
You're so creative.
The sky is filling up with dark clouds.
Looks like it might rain.
Fill up the kettle with water.
Are you making tea?
The fridge is filling up with leftovers.
Let's eat them before cooking more.
My plate is filling up fast.
Save some space for dessert.
The hall filled up before the event started.
Everyone came early.
My schedule is filling up with meetings.
Don't forget to take breaks.
The shopping cart is filling up quickly.
Do we really need all this?
The bird feeder filled up with seeds.
The birds will love it.
This pool is filling up slowly.
It might take a while.
Fill up the tank before we hit the road.
Let's stop at the next gas station.
The kids filled up their plates with candy.
They're going to be so hyper.
The classroom is filling up with students.
Looks like everyone's on time.
My notes are filling up with ideas.
That's great. Keep writing.
The jar is filling up with coins.
You're saving a lot.
I filled up the dog's bowl with food.
He looks so happy now.
The air is filling up with smoke.
Is there a fire nearby?
My stomach is filling up after this meal.
Same here. The food was amazing.
The library is filling up with people.
Everyone's studying for exams.
Can you fill up this form for me?
Sure, where do I sign?
The park filled up by noon.
It's a sunny day, no wonder.
The train is filling up with passengers.
Let's find a seat quickly.
I need to fill up the washing machine.
Let me help you with the laundry.
The glass is filling up with juice.
Don't spill it.
My room is filling up with boxes.
Are you moving?
The shelves filled up with new books.
I can't wait to read them.
The street filled up with cars during rush hour.
Traffic is always bad at this time.
The garden is filling up with weeds.
We need to clean it up.
The balloon is filling up with air.
Don't pop it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.